let's discuss in this session about the return orders. Okay, RMA, return material authorization. Okay, so return orders nothing but when we fulfill the quantity and its order closed, then if the customer wants to return that material to us, so how we can create that return orders and all we will see. Return orders we can create in in two types actually. One is we can create with the reference, or return orders we can create with the reference and without reference. Okay, so let us first see with the reference, then after that we will see in unreferenced return orders. Okay, so here I'll just log in. I'm logged in SAM IMPL. In SAM IMPL, sorry. So click on order management. So order management, let's query the order which is already closed. Okay, I have the order which is already closed 9737. Okay, so just I'm querying that order. Okay, against this order I would like to create the return order. Okay, RMA. So this here in line level, right? So it's the this order status is closed. Okay, and here just we can click this directly return, or we can have the return all. What is the difference these two? See, if we have multiple lines, let's say we have the multiple lines. Okay, for example, so if you click return, okay, where the customer is kept, right, that one line only it will go the return. I mean that line only it will create the return order. Okay, if you click here and return all, then it will select all lines and it will create return order. So just you have the one line, right? So not an issue. Then we can create return. Yes, right. So here again in return type we have the three different kind of types or return types. Okay, one is is a seeded one, so which Oracle given this three. One is a cancel item and return for credit. Another one is return for credit, and another one is return for credit and return the item. What is the return for credit and return the item? See, we will receive the item against this order and we will create credit memo. This is the physically we will receive the item from the customer and we will generate the credit memo. And another one, this one, just we won't receive any items physically, but we will create a credit memo. Let's say for example, which is not worth it. It might be it's receiving, it's expensive, or let's say for example glass items and all. So it's, let's say for example glass items, so if it's a damage, they told it's a damage, it won't use, right? If you receive also, it's a cost effective things, right? So that's why we create the credit memo, that's it. We won't receive that one. And another is the cancel item. So here just we receive that item, that's it. We won't make the any credit memo. So just we will cancel that order like that. Okay, so just but physically we will receive the item, that's it. So here let's say just partially I'm clicking, I'm selecting this one, two quantity, and just one by one I will create. Okay, so one let me create the cancel the item, first one. Just we will receive the item, no, that's it. We won't create any credit memos. Okay, and the return reason is here optional, and let's say for example product damage, that's it. Okay, just create order. Just click created. See here, its order is created. See in EBS, if you see in EBS, if you have any knowledge in EBS, this if you create the any return orders, right, that quantity it would be the negative quantity, then we can consider that one. But here it's a price only negative, its quantity is always is positive. Okay, so here then just I'm submitting this order. Here we can observe this as usual, as I told in last video, this is a create order, right? So just submit. It's all information you can see. And see, if you see in your standard order, so we will see. Let's see. Okay, and this is a fulfillment line, right? Let's go action and switch to fulfillment, and here we can see in standard lines, right? Fulfillment lines, we can see the order information. But here for this return order, right? So in returns only we can see this line information here. The orchestration information and all. So here this orchestration information, orchestration process number, and what is the orchestration process, right? So all information we can see in returns tab. Okay, so return order generic process, just click this one, orchestration process number, just awaiting receiving. After that, just invoice closed. Okay, let's see. Let me I'm copying order number. Just go inventory here, SCM IMPL, right? So supply chain execution, inventory management. We need to do receiving, right? So just in task here, actually there, right? Select in show task list, so select the receipts. So here receive expected shipment, click on receive expected shipment, then select this RMA number, click on search. Yes, right? So here just select the line and click on receive. What is the quantity here? 2, right? Yes. What is the received by? Just received by, give me any name, it's okay. I'm giving the John, some name, some name which is already there, John Stephen. Okay, so then create receipt, click on create receipt here. Then if you want to give this any information, then waybill, what is the waybill number and shipment method, this is all information. If you want, we can give it here. Okay, and here just I'm clicking submit. Here see receipt number is generated, right? If you want, then we can copy this receipt number, or else we can query this anyhow. We can query with RMA also. Okay. Done. So now just receiving happened, so we need to do put away also for this. So just here again inventory itself. So task list here, show tasks, here is a receipt, and in receipts section there is a put away receipts. So just I copied that receipt number, right? So I'm querying with receipt search, right? Select the line, click put away, and select the sub-inventory to where we are going to receive. Stores. That's it. Now just click the submit. Right? Yes, created, confirm. Just done. See, after receiving and put away also, that status should be awaiting receiving only. Let's see this status in order management. Why? Because we need to run one ESS job, that is send receipt confirmation. We need to run job, ESS job is the send receipt confirmation. Go tools and schedule process. Click the schedule process, select the schedule process and send receipt confirmation. Right? Okay. Here organization, just warehouse. What is the warehouse? So it is the Seattle, right? And here Oracle Fusion, order orchestration and planning, source system. We need to select that one, and just we can give this receipt number, or here source document number also we can give. I mean source document number nothing but so RMA number. What is that? 97378. Either anything. This both are the optional. Just save. Just refresh that one. So succeed. Now see in order management what is the status here. Deliver. It's coming, waiting billing. So it might be this setup is issue. I mean it's picked this wrong, it seems wrong orchestration process. Okay, you know, awaiting billing, right? So let's run this auto invoice, then it will create the memo. What is that? Credit memo. So log in the financial module. Okay, financial credentials, then click on schedule process. Import auto invoice. Okay, here yes one, and source is distribution orchestration order, sorry, order orchestration. Now here RMA number is 97378. Okay, just submit. So success. Let's see order status. Order status. See, it's a closed. So let's create one more order with order type, return type, right? It's different. Just click on I opened this one, right? Original order, right? This original order. Otherwise let me requery, you won't get the confusion. 97376. okay, just I'm querying the original order. Okay, just click the return. Here see, already two quantity we returned, right? So 8 is the remaining. So this one just I'm returning this 5, and this 5 just I'm clicking return for credit, means we won't return anything, just for credit, means credit memo it will generate directly. We won't perform any receiving and all. Credit memo it will generate. Just click on submit. See, as I told, right, this one process assignment rule, right? So we can write the process assignment rule based on that return type, return line type, right? So that one, which orchestration process should pick that one. So based on that one only it will come. So that in another videos, right? And one more is that return types also, where this is the lookups, right? Or return types and all. So where we can define that lookup, what is that lookup and all. Just I have created another, I have made another video I shared already, so we can see in this channel. You are able to see, and you can go through that one, please. Okay, so just directly it's awaiting billing. So we can write, we can run the auto invoice. Just in financial FinIMPL, just skip tools and schedule auto invoice, import auto. Spell mistake, not be. So Okay. US1. What is the distributed order orchestration and sales order 97379. That's the correct, right? 97379. Then submit. Click on OK. Just refresh it. Yes. Okay. Let's see here. Refresh this order. Yeah, got closed, right? This is the just with the reference. Okay. Without reference, how we can create the order, return order? Okay. Just log in, going to the order management and this right. Let's show you in from starting. Just click the order management, again order management, and click the create order. Here select the business unit. I am selecting US1 business unit and computer. Yes. So here in line right, just go actions, add unreferenced return lines. What is that? Action, add unreferenced return line. Here query the item. Here how much quantity we want to create, for how much quantity we want to create the return order. Then now we need to select the quantity. Let's say 10 quantity, and here return type also we can create. As usual, just after this, just as usual how we process, create return and run auto invoice, right? Those steps are everything is the same. Of how we created is for referenced one. Just I'm selecting here and just return reason. Right, just click add. Right, so here let me give the warehouse. Warehouse I'm going to return, to pick the return. Okay, return. Just click submit. Okay. awaiting receiving. So let's receive the quantity and put away, run the send receipt confirmation and auto invoice. These are the steps. So in SCM IMPL, just go inventory, supply execution, supply chain execution, inventory management. Here in right side there is a task. Click the task and receive expected shipments. Receive expected shipment. Then query with the RMA. Click search. Now select the line and click receive. Here what is the quantity? 10 quantity, right? Just received by, I'm selecting John. Okay, then create receipt. Click on create receipt and submit. Click on OK. Okay, receipt done. Now we need to do put away. So okay, click the task and here click on put away receipt. Okay, here just query with RMA number, select the line, click put away, stores, then submit. Okay. Now what we need to do, here in inventory itself we need to run send receipt confirmation job, ESS job. Go tools, schedule process, click on schedule new process, send receipt confirmation. Okay, now what is the warehouse we gave? This 001 means Seattle. So Oracle Fusion order orchestration and planning. What is the source system, and document number means this one, or the RMA number, unreferenced RMA number. Click on submit. Okay. Take time. Okay, refresh this. Yeah, sounds right. If you go here, this order management, let's see that order. delivered. Awaiting billing, right? So now run the import auto invoice VSS job in financial. Log into FinIMPL and tools, schedule process, then schedule new process, import auto invoice. Okay, business unit ES1 and transaction source, distributed order orchestration, and sales order. Scroll long, 97380, right? Then submit. This is the it's triggering some other parallelly some other user. It might be someone is running, so ours is success. See, it's the ours. Okay, we will see here. Yeah, closed. Okay, that's all. Just in this video, what we discussed, just return order, create return orders with reference and create return orders without reference. Okay, so how we can create again in with credit and with credit and return, these two line types with the line types we have seen. So please subscribe this channel, and coming videos I will discuss how we can define the discount for this or any order, and how we can define this carrier, shipping method, and what is the how we can this one drop ship flow, back to back flows. In back to back flows again we have the three different types. One is the back to back with this one, right, PO against PO, and back to back with the work order, back to back internal order. Okay, so this again so coming videos I will upload those videos. Okay, and thank you very much, and please subscribe and share, and if you like it, if you click on the bell icon, so you will get the notification when I will upload any new content videos. Okay, thank you, bye bye, have a nice day.